Hi, my name is Tara Sothi. Today I'm going to talk about energy, specifically kinetic, potential, and other forms of energy. The law of conservation of energy states energy cannot be created or destroyed. It has to come from somewhere and go somewhere, although it can be transformed. Units of energy include calories, kilocalories, and joules. 1,000 calories equals 1 kilocalorie, and 1 calorie is also equal to 4.184 joules. Potential energy. The energy of an object due to the position of the object relative to others, including static electricity or stress itself of an object. On the other hand, kinetic energy is the energy of an object due to being in motion. Types of energy. There are 6 main types of energy, including chemical, sound, mechanical, electrical, heat, and light. Chemical energy is the energy stored in chemical bonds. Mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic and potential energy. Electrical energy is when electrons move through conductors. And sound energy is vibrations through matter as a result of applied force. Heat energy is energy resulting in the movement of atoms. And finally, light energy is the electromagnetic radiation that can be detectable to our eyes. Conduction, convection, and radiation are 3 ways heat energy can be transferred. Conduction is how heat energy is transferred through solid matter. For example, a panhandle. The atoms closest to the source of the heat are shaking, bumping into each other, making the atoms next to them shake, making the atoms next to them shake, etc., etc. Convection is when the water in the pot is warming, the warm water at the bottom and the cold water on the top. The water at the bottom is being heated, making the water expand and being pushed to the top. The water then cools, contracting, gaining density, and the water is pushed to the bottom, where it is heated and the cycle repeats. Radiation is when heat energy is electromagnetically emitted off a heat source, like in the picture shown. This is the energy equation. Q equals Cm delta T. Q equals energy, C equals specific heat, M is mass, and delta T is the change in temperature. An example would be, the specific heat of gold is 129. What is the quantity of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 100 grams of gold by 50 degrees Kelvin? You would take the 100 grams of gold and convert them into kilograms, and that would equal 0.1 kilograms of gold. Next, you would take the specific heat of 129 and the change in temperature, which is 50 degrees Kelvin. You would multiply them together, put them in your calculator, and you would get 645 joules, which means it would take 645 joules to raise 100 grams of gold by 50 degrees Kelvin.